let's evaluate all 6 trigonometric functions at the angle alpha equals 7 pi over 2. Well, the pi over 2's, I know there's really only 2 possibilities for that. It's either an angle with this terminal side or an angle with this terminal side. And, well, the reason I'm really thinking I know which one it is because that's clearly more than 1 full revolution, right? That's bigger than 2 pi. That's bigger than 4 pi over 2. And so we could think about subtracting off 2 pi. So 7 pi over 2 minus 2 pi, that's going to be 3 pi halves. So that's 1 full revolution. And then there's my terminal side. 7 pi over 2 is coterminal with 3 pi over 2. All right, so I need a point on that terminal side. I'm going to choose 0, comma, minus 1. And that's 1 unit down from the origin, so r is 1. I could write this as an alpha, but because I actually have a radian measure here, I'm just going to say these are my trig functions evaluated at that particular angle. All right. Sine of 7 pi over 2, well, that's the y over the r, minus 1. Cosine of 7 pi over 2, the x over the r, 0. Tangent, supposed to be the y over the x. Well, can't divide by 0. That's one of the spots where tangent is undefined. The cotangent of 7 pi over 2 would be the x over the y. 0 divided by minus 1 is 0. Secant, well, let's see. I've already evaluated cosine, and if I think about what I did there, right, that was a 0 over 1. If I take the reciprocal, that's going to be a 1 over 0. Remind me that's one of the spots where secant is undefined. And then finally, cosecant, I can take the reciprocal of sine. I get that nice happy minus 1. And there are all 6 trig functions evaluated at 7 pi over 2.